And let's go. So as you can see here, this is a brand new ClickBank account, and my goal is to make $200 in 20 minutes as soon as possible. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the same system that you're gonna learn on this page today to make this happen straight from this coffee shop right here. Alright, so as I said, the time was 10, now it's 10:19 a.m. now, so by 10:40 I should be able to see some results. Alright, what's going on, guys? Time now is 10:35 a.m. Let's look at some sales that we got. Alright, we got $226.32. As you can see here, brand new sales. And in just a little less than 20 minutes, I guess. Yeah, a little less than 20 minutes. So, yep, pretty good results, I would say. Very consistent. Now, as you can see, I was able to really make $226 in a matter of just 18 minutes of work or so. 226 in a day might not be a lot of money to you, but if I make that kind of money every single day of the month, I will have an additional income of $6,780 per month, or $82,490 per year, simply by spending an additional 20 minutes per day maintaining these simple campaigns. Think about what you could do with $82,490. Seriously, just imagine what you could do with it. Perhaps a vacation every 2 months to some exotic location that you always wanted to go. The magical ancient city of Venice, Italy. Or maybe you like the buzz of New York City. Or heck, if you're like me or you're a beach person, you could relax on a beach in Bali, Indonesia whenever you want. Or maybe you just want to buy a new house or a new car. What would $82,490 get you? With that kind of budget, you can easily choose to live in some of the most gorgeous homes, like a beautiful furnished apartment in the middle of Manhattan in New York, or a villa in Thailand, or even a beach house in Southern California, where the weather is just perfect all year round. I did some research online, and in the United States, you can get a brand new Mercedes E-Class for that kind of money, paid completely with cash. Yes, a brand new Mercedes that you can use to impress your friends and family, and more particularly, those who have always been looking down at you. Or maybe you have some debts and bills to pay off. Would $82,490 be enough to help you pay off those debts? If yes, then great, because I'm so glad you found this page, because you being in debt will be yesterday's story. That's what you can get if you just invest 20 minutes per day to run my $200 in 20 minutes system. It's not hard. All I'm asking for is for you to just invest 20 minutes. Yes, 20 minutes per day. That's probably the amount of time you spend to transit to the job that you hated, or the amount of time you spend every single day in the shower, or the amount of time you spend daydreaming about your dream life. So yes, I do believe you have an extra 20 minutes per day to spare, even if you're a billionaire, even if you work from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. because I have students who do exactly that and still be able to make this work. So no excuses for not having enough time to make this system works for you. In 2015, I first introduced this to a handful of people in the internet marketing space. It got so viral that internet marketing legends started endorsing the first version of the $200 in 20 minutes. Yes, internet marketing legends who have been featured on TVs and media. We had to close the first version of the program after 3 months because we've gotten so many students and we want to focus on helping each and every single one of them to succeed. So we went back to the drawing board and came up with a software idea that will combine the entire $200 in 20 minutes affiliate marketing process into just one simple software. Yes, just one simple software with 3 simple steps. You just kickstart the software, enter your details, and upload your campaigns. That's all. 3 simple steps. Ask yourself this: can you follow these 3 simple steps? All it will ever take is just 20 minutes every single day to make realistic affiliate commissions. Now you might be wondering, what's the catch? Well, I get it. The truth is, let's just be honest with each other. Everybody has an intention online. My intention is very simple. I want to collect more success stories for one of the books that I'll be publishing next year. This year, I have a personal goal of helping 100 people quit their day jobs and live the lives of their dreams. Help them pay off their debts, help them supplement their incomes, and help them up their lifestyles. But so far, I'm short by 53, so I need to hurry up and create even more success stories, and I need your help. I believe $200 in 20 minutes software and the system can help you become my next success story. I believe that I can help you succeed online by simply replicating what I'm doing to make daily $200 in commissions. You want to know the best part about this system? Well, you don't need a product. You don't need to hire any graphic or web designer. You don't need to get approved on CPA networks. You don't need to do content marketing or any boring SEO organic traffic work. You don't need to launch products. You don't need to pay a lot of money for traffic, but you can if you want to scale up your campaign. In fact, I am super confident anyone can do this. My software made it super easy for you to build the campaigns. You don't need technical skills. You don't need to hire coders or designers. You just fire up my software and export out the campaign once you're done building it. And it won't take you more than 20 minutes to do it, guaranteed. Now, I can sit here and talk about this software and this program all day long because honestly speaking, it's great and it's a life changer. But one thing I learned after spending years and years of my time learning how to make money online is that learning is one thing, taking action is another. And you must combine both learning and action to make money. So here's the deal. I want you to take massive action today because I've got the software and I've got the program to help you finally make money online. And I understand if you're on the fence or you're still not sure about this. I get it. Trust me, I've been doing this for 8 years and I've seen so much BS and lame marketing programs in the market. So in order for me to gain your trust and in order for me to make sure you give me a chance to help you, I'm going to hand you a 60 days money back guarantee. Yes, you hear that right. You have 60 days to try this out. If you don't like it, simply email me and let me know and I'll refund your money back. The number 60 is a magical number. Think about this. If you spend 60 days to test out this $200 in 20 minutes software, and let's just say you make $200 per day in commissions. 200 multiplied by 60 days, that's $12,000. $12,000 in potential earnings in the next 60 days. If 60 days from now you took action, use my software and system, and don't make $12,000, you have the full rights to ask me for a full refund. So here's what you should do right now. Go ahead and click the button on this page right now to secure your access for this software and the system that comes with it. You're going to absolutely love this, and I am super confident if you follow my step-by-step instructions, you will be able to see amazing results like this. $258, $355, $283, $198, right? Many of these are actually sent in by my students who have used my software successfully. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead.